Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the other new feature, the diary editions, which is the calendar appointments diary. Sorry to call it three things, but people call them different things. So it's basically a diary and appointments. So this is the traditional view of the diary at the moment. We're in the working week, and as you know, you can look at the day view, the working week Monday to Friday, or the actual full week Monday to Sunday, or the month. But we're going to look at the working week. Now, if you have any appointments in here at the moment, and you want to have another diary, say for other people in your organisations, you can do so. This is great for technicians. It's great for any office staff you have. They can each have their own diary within this Cleaners Mate, and you can create appointments and of course worksheets as well. So if you've got technicians, you can print off worksheets for each of them without getting crossovers and confused between one diary as before. Now if you're using the old diary and you want to use a new one, simply come down to here at the bottom left hand corner, and it's got show users. So once this is clicked, it shows the other people that's in your organisation. I just call them users, but you can call them technicians or office staff. So if you're going to use the diary feature for office staff and users, you're going to have to use this part of it yourself as well. So forget the old one. You don't want to go back to this old one. It's just there for people who don't have staff. If you have staff, you have to use this where it says show users. So I've created three users, one called the owner, which is myself, and two other fictitious names. If we go back to the day view, it just comes a bit more clearer. And you can of course create separate appointments for each of these users and link up to the invoices and quotations as before. Now if you want to create your users or edit them, of course you just come over to here where it's got the add and edit, click the button, and you've got a list of different people. You can add them. You've got the add new user, delete them. You just click save. So and you can create a color scheme for them as well to make it all nice and pretty, and so you can see from a distance who's what. So I've already created those now. And that's basically the diary feature. I won't go into actually how the appointments work, because you can see that in the other video, of course, that we created earlier on in the year. So just click onto that and it will show you how to create the appointments using invoices and quotations, or just standard in appointments. Okay, so that's the feature. Thank you for watching.